I still remember the way they held hands like the world was against them. You could see both pain and joy on their faces, and it made you wonder if love was worth that much fighting. I grew up in a small town in Nigeria where everyone knew everyone. In our community, love was not always about choice. Families cared more about tribe, religion, and status than about the people themselves. So when Amaka, the daughter of a wealthy family, fell for Chike, a boy from the wrong side of town, it was like a fire started. Their love was simple. They would walk together after church, laughing at little things. Chike fixed people's shoes for a living, and Amaka would sit in his small shop sometimes, pretending to help, just so she could be near him. I used to pass by and see them whispering, smiling at each other, forgetting the world outside. But everyone else noticed too. Her parents warned her. The elders said it was shameful. Chike's family told him it would only bring trouble. Still, they kept seeing each other. I once saw them at the river. Amaka had tears in her eyes, and Chike was holding her shoulders, saying, "Let them say what they want. I know what I feel." That moment stayed with me because I had never seen love stand up so stubborn against fear. Things didn't end in a fairy tale. One night, her family locked her inside and sent her to the city to live with an uncle. Chike waited for weeks. He still came to the shop every day, still polished shoes, but his eyes were always searching the road. She never came back. Years later, people still whisper about them. Some say Amaka was married off. Some say she ran away. But in my memory, they are always by the river, holding on to each other like nothing else mattered. I don't know if that's love or foolishness, but I know it was real.
If you would love to learn how to build your own amazing AI videos just like this one, join me in the next video lecture and let's get started immediately.